Now, ladies and gents, we just got some massive news coming from Onvo, which indicated that Q1 next year we could be seeing the new model coming from Onvo L60. Now, this is massive, this is bullish, because what we saw, or after the second launch or the official launch of Onvo executives told us that next year they are looking at launching two models, which the first model apparently, as per this article coming from CNF Post, it's going to come in Q1 of 2025, or it will be launched in Q1 of 2025, which is massive, which is bullish, because already you know that there is the Onvo L60, which is doing exceptionally well. I mean, orders have been coming steadily, and Nio and Onvo are under pressure to increase the production capacity to cater for the demand that the Onvo L60 is presenting. So next year, Onvo, like I said, they will be launching two models. One of the models, it will be launched around Q1 or end of Q1, and sales apparently of that model are expected to commence around May. Now, that model that they are launching in Q1, it is expected to boost or bring a boost into Onvo sales, which is something that we look forward to. I mean, Onvo's executives, they are saying that around Q1 they should have around 250 stores all over China, which that will support the demand that might come with Onvo. Those stores will be enough to cater for the plus 20,000 that we'll see, of course, next year. It will be quite a number of stores that will be available for Chinese consumers to go and view or have a feeling on this Onvo brand, right? I mean, price for this model that is coming in Q1, we after battery as a service, which entails the user subscribing for battery rental, it will be around 140,000 RMB to 220,000 RMB. Now, this model that they are launching will be slightly bigger in terms of capacity to the current Onvo L60. You know that Onvo's executives, and together with the new CEO, they made it clear that L60 is the cheapest model that you'll find onto the Onvo brand, right? And the others that might come, it will be a bit higher than that. And to know that what they are targeting is somewhere between 140 to 220,000 RMB with bus. This is massive, this is bullish, and it makes me, of course, to want to load the boat, because the price with a battery, the Onvo executive, Onvo said they are looking at below 300,000 RMB, or 42,000, or below $42,000, which is massive, which is bullish for this company. I mean, $42,000, you will know that it is the cheapest model that you can buy from Nio. $42,000, it gets you Nio ET5 Touring or Nio Mid Sedan. That's what you can buy. That is the starting price of the Nio range. And to see or know that this model will be cheaper than the cheapest models of Nio, but with a much bigger space, it is something that makes me to be really excited. So yeah, man, this is what we got today. Onvo is looking at launching a new model by Q1 of 2025 and start deliveries or sales of that model by May of 2025. You know that as it stands, Onvo and the Firefly, a couple of Fireflies we've been seeing being tested, they are coming from the Nio's two existing factories. Nio currently has got two factories. In fact, the L60 that we are seeing right now that Nio is selling, it's coming from the Nio F2 factory. That is the Nio Park, right? That's where the L60 is coming from. And apparently the production line which it's being made is the production line for that makes, I think, the ET7, the ET5 Touring, and the ES8. That's where the Onvo L60 is also being made. But they are working on a double shifts, which is something that is massive, which is something that is bullish, because it will lead us into generating more numbers, not only for Onvo, but also Nio will still maintain its growth in terms of deliveries on a month-to-month, which is something that is massive, something that is bullish. So this new medium to large SUV will help Onvo be able to sell more units, or will boost the Onvo's sales on a month-to-month, which is something that we look forward to. And I think we need to brace ourselves for what's coming. 2025, it's a very interesting year for Nio, and so many of the investors cannot wait to get to 2025, because we know that is the year that we are going to turn to profitability, which is something that we look forward to. So yes, Onvo is currently being delivered. We don't know as yet how many units they will sell exactly, but chances are we might see plus 5,000 this month, because in terms of insurance registrations, Onvo has been doing pretty well, pretty good, which is something that makes us to look forward to the kind of deliveries that we are going to see coming from Onvo alone. Nio, we know they are going to maintain 20,000, and if Onvo gets their 5,000, it will add to the 20 and makes Nio to have plus 25,000 deliveries. But that is minimum. I've been saying 25,000, I think it will be minimum. We could get to 28,000, which will be so massive, so bullish onto Nio, and might make them reach break even this quarter. So I look forward. I think blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering will definitely be rewarded. So I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. Tell me what you think about this. I think we need to brace ourselves for what's coming, because Onvo, ladies and gents, it is a brand that will help Nio get to profitability. Without Onvo, it was going to be very difficult for Nio to get to profitability, but with Onvo, it will be easier for Nio to reach profitability. Firefly is also coming. Don't you forget, the first launch of Firefly is coming in Nio Day 2024, where we're going to see the starting price of that last sub-brand for Nio, which we look forward to, and we should brace ourselves for what's coming. Otherwise, do your own due diligence onto the Nio stock, because stock price wise, we know that Nio is quite volatile, and therefore it requires you to have done some due diligence so that at least you're comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Don't forget to hit that likes button, comment, subscribe. Once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you can be notified every time I drop a new content. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. I remain bullish, long and strong. I'll see you on my next video, and God bless you all.